They hum so softly, barely a sound, trimming the grass, making beauty profound. It cuts in lines so straight and true, with perfect precision like morning dew. Obstacles come, but it never fears. It senses and steers as it quietly clears. Promise we chase, but delays have tested our faith and grace. You have arrived, but we still believe that one day this here will no longer grieve. The kick-started dreams, they started so strong, but delays kept coming, dragging too long. So many wait with eager eyes, watching first customers with envious eyes. Though few machines have touched the ground, in the videos, hope is found. Impatient hearts, yet still they hold that one day soon their lawns will be gold. Promise we chase, but delays have tested our faith and grace. You have arrived, but we still believe that one day this here will no longer grieve. When it arrives and we see it perform, all of the waiting will feel so warm. The straight lines it draws, the quiet it keeps. We'll forget the delay as joy softly creeps. Promise we chase, but delays have tested our faith and grace. You have arrived, but we still believe that one day this here will no longer grieve. So we wait with hope for that fateful day when Hookii Neomow X comes our way. And once it's here, we'll know it's true. The wait was worth it for something so new. Kick-started dreams, they started so strong, but delays kept coming, dragging too long. So many wait with eager eyes, watching first customers with envious eyes. Though few machines have touched the ground, in the videos, hope is found. Impatient hearts, yet still they hold that one day soon their lawns will be gold. Promise we chase, but delays have tested our faith and grace. You have arrived, but we still believe that one day this here will no longer grieve. But when it arrives, we see it perform, all of the waiting will feel so warm. The straight lines it draws, the quiet it keeps. We'll forget the delay as joy softly creeps. Waiting times, see it perform, all the waiting will feel so warm. The straight lines it draws, the quiet it keeps. We'll forget the delay as joy softly creeps.